Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 11 virus and threat protection not working. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a 5 method to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows, go to your privacy and security, go to your Windows security, go to your virus and threat protection and turn out it and close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box, in the start menu, go to your settings of your Windows, go to your apps, go to your apps and features. In the search box, type a Windows security. In the Windows security, click on these three dots and go to your advanced options. Scroll down, click on repair. After doing this set, click on reset. After that, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that in the search box type of services, open services. After doing this set, find out a Windows security services. Now here is a Windows security services. Open it and make sure that the status is running. So if you are stop it, then click start and click on apply and OK button. So in my case it's already running. Click OK and close it. The next method is that in the search box type a CMD and open a command prompt, right click run as administrator privileges. After that, first of all type a command is sfc space slash scan now and press enter. देखो कोई मसला नहीं है, दावत से दोबारा कॉपीज मिल जाती हैं। फिल वक्त अगर आपके पास उसकी सिर्फ कॉपीज हैं। After completing that, type a command is dism space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health. After completing that, type exit and exit the command prompt, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a registry editor and open a registry editor, right click run as administrator privileges. After doing this test, select the HKey local machine and expand it. After doing this test, select the software and expand it. After that, select the policies and expand it. After that, select the Microsoft and expand it. After doing this, select the Windows Defender and right click on new, click on a dword 32-bit value and set the name is disable anti spyware. D is a capital, anti A is a capital, and spyware S is a capital. After set its name, open it and set a value data is 0. Click OK, and after doing this set, close the registry editor and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.